Lakha Kep Hauraghat College along Ingdeng Kep Karbi students freshers come social meet paduponsi pininganingkan logacar lidun mi students atumaphan kedengpon. Kidamtang Phaikuni ni Phai Krip hor ni Lakha Kep Hauraghat College along Ingdeng Kep Karbi students freshers come social meet padupon. Hauraghat College Karbi Students Union atum pencepatir piponsi Hauraghat Sports Complex Uditire Masai Hemalongsi paduponlo. Bangso along aluhiaman pen kacetong dun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education in Charge EM Richard Tokbi Karbi Lochar Liasong Maipu Semson Teron Hauraghat Municipal Board Chairman Vidya Teron KLA Klembangpu Rupam Tokbi Lapen Hauraghat College Thanbangpu Thanbang Phetum cetong dun si Ingdeng Kep Hauraghat College Karbi Students Freshers come social meet along Aliralon Pidun. Bangso along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education EM Richard Tokbi Hinpen Hauraghat College along Aki Mike Charlie Tumaphan Lingak Longpen Kachuro Pajirponlo Lapen Jumisen alam Thantekangsi Ingdeng Kep Hauraghat College Karbi Students Freshers come social meet along Kaprek Setame Chepate Ponsi Mesen Pen Pichunpon.
Hauraghat College along Karbi Student Union alam sustained capacity, the SSLC lapen, sustained capacity makan, overtop, research media solar, zone ni na cetong dulu alam campaign ni pan chief guest sam ni pan lapen ningarong dulu, student atong kan ekonomi lo lapen, hanggape education is the backbone of the society. Posi ke podi nasi tumpa perang nanti posi, lo kita ni nanti itu tumpa kilo pada nanti itu meeting tumpa, pagi ekor, perang nanti pada itu kacang nanti dalam tinggi. Itum society program for technology potential la ko diba itum non reformation education alo mission 2025 for upliftment education system alo materap na tutu dunang boxing atong pero akan memorandum alo na tagar memorandum alam magala to education to fancy dan di pulo la singa company la to fan delo mo ke dan dia apoyo to ne mintang sampai ke kata alam to harta cerap
Hawar ke hatpen harsing rong pi Karbi Anglong live.